Hey folks, so welcome to Friday, Unit 6, CIS 110. Again, I'm going to be a lot shorter this time. I kind of realized the last Friday video I committed one of the major faux pas of making videos for students. Ideally, they say keep it 3 to 5 minutes, and I went way beyond that. So I've already set my spreadsheet up, and one of the big things that I wanted to show you, I've alluded to it when I talked about it last week, but I didn't really show you in last week's video. I talked about the idea, one of the things that makes the spreadsheet powerful is the fact that it can perform calculations in real time. So what I've done is I put together a very just simple spreadsheet. You have your first number, your second number. Between them are the mathematical operations, and then you have the yield. What do you get at the end? So what I wanted to do was just to show you what's going to happen here. So we're going to put our cursor, we're going to highlight E3, which is our yield in the plus row. And in this, we are going to just write a very simple function. We're going to do A2 plus C3, except I'm going to use the correct, there we go. All right, so, and again, if you take a look, when I select each cell, the cell is highlighted. And the highlight box also corresponds to a color up in the equation bar. So I have my function here, and I'm going to hit enter. Look at that, 7 plus 3, 10. Now we're going to go to the next one. And again, I'm just going to put my cursor up in the function bar. We're going to go A2 minus C2. I mean, it would really help if I put the equal sign in there. See, I do these live. I want you to see we make mistakes too. All right, so now we've got an equal. Excel knows that there's going to be a function. We're going to type in ourselves A2 minus C2. And again, we take a look. A2 is color-coded. Its counterpart in the function bar is coded. C2 is color-coded. Its counterpart in the function bar is coded. We're going to hit enter. We get 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Now, our next one will be multiplication. So we're going to put the equal sign in there because I'll remember that. A2 times C2, 21. Then, again, equal sign. A2 divided by C2. And then finally, for our last one, the average all right. So we've typed our average in. 7 plus 3 is 10. Divided by 2 gives us 5. Now, here's what I wanted to show you. So we've done all this. We've seen the mathematical operations. But take a look when I change one number. So I'm going to just tweak A2. Right now, A2 is 7. But look what happens when I change it to, let's make it 12. I hit enter. All of my values that are tied to A2 have changed. If I come in here and I change C2, say I change C2 to, let's go really aggro here. Let's make it 21. So right now, we have yields with the old value. As soon as I hit enter to put the new value in, we've got everything. So that is the big power of Excel. It can run calculations. Yeah, again, we're doing just two integer operations here, but that's really the huge power. That is what made Excel such a force to be reckoned with. So, as you know, spreadsheets in general on the computer. So, folks, we are at the end of our unit on Excel. Please remember Sunday night, everything is due. I will see everybody next Monday, and we're going to start talking about PowerPoint. You all have a safe weekend. We'll see you on Monday.